If you were looking for the straightest line path to get your first AI client and start making what I like to call magic AI money, then you have landed in the right spot, because in this community, I will literally hold your hand and walk you through how to do everything that I've already done. And matter of fact, I might grab you by a collar and throw you through the finish line if I need to. Now, I know that this is meant to be the part where I start, selling why this is the best community ever and it'll transform your life and all that type of stuff. I'll be honest, I'm horrendous at doing that. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm just going to explain who I am. I'm going to explain what this community is about, and then you guys can kind of decide if you like it, then feel free to join, and if you don't, then I wish you the best with everything you do in the future. So my name is Jarrell on YouTube, that's what I go by, but my real name is Duran. It's just that most people can't seem to pronounce that, so I go by Jarrell. Now, I like to think that I know a thing or two when it comes to AI, and it'd be pretty weird if I didn't, considering I spend almost every second of every day on this stuff. But I've made hundreds of AI related videos. I've had my AI brand up on a billboard in Times Square. I've sold 5 different AI services. I've worked with people on the Forbes 30 under 30 list for AI related projects. And when I say this, I don't mean that I'm working with like team members of team members. I mean that I've directly worked with these people on the Forbes list. I've also been invited to the WOP HQ in New York City to talk about AI related stuff. And speaking of WOP, I even have a WOP community, an AI community, obviously, with almost 1,000 members, which honestly kind of leads me to my next point. A lot of you guys might be wondering, well, if you have a WOP community, then why are you suddenly building on Skool? And it's a good question, but the main reason is that although WOP is really good at what they do, and I love the platform and everything, they are really bad when it comes to kind of incentivizing a community-based platform. Now, don't get me wrong, on WOP, I would always receive these incredible messages of people being really appreciative of, the free resources that I would provide on there, but that's kind of the extent to which the community-based aspect would go. And so on Skool, my kind of goal with this is to build an active and engaged community where people can kind of fill each other's blind spots, because I'm gonna be honest, guys, okay? This is what your favorite AI guru might not tell you, okay? If you guys ask 10 million questions, there might be just 1 or 2 that maybe I don't have the best answer to. And so I really want to create a platform where everybody can just kind of fill in these blind spots and form a foundation that covers almost every AI related money making topic. Now, like I said at the start, guys, I've done what you guys are wanting to do here, and I will hold your hand and walk you through the entire process so that you can't possibly f it up. And I'm so confident in the value of this community that I literally have a guarantee in place, which is if you guys don't make your money back within 90 days, and by the way, 90 days is extremely conservative. You should be able to make it back within like 14 days. But if you don't make it back, you literally get a 100% refund guaranteed. So if you see the vision and you want to start making magic AI money, then feel free to join. Hopefully I see you on the inside. And also, if you're not active, I'm going to kick you out. I'll be honest. I want this to be an extremely active, engaging community that everybody can gain from. So I hope to see you inside.